Everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Amber Autumn card workshop. And one of the items in this card workshop, the die, it's this wonderful full, well, not full card front, but a logical size card front that just etches out a bunch of leaves, and it's just gorgeous. And what I did here was use my blending brushes and my inks to create a background of my own with these really pretty colors. So on this card, I inked it on white using Daffodil Delight, Pumpkin Pie, and Cajun Craze. On this card, I inked it on the Daffodil Delight, so the yellow is already there. And then I added Cajun Craze, Pumpkin Pie, and Early Espresso. So like we're using these colors all through the workshop. And so I just wanted to show you quickly how to do it. So I won't need Daffodil Delight per se, unless I get a little crazy with my coloring and I want to bring some yellow back. It's not entirely possible, but in some ways it kind of can be. You can at least lighten it up. So what you do is you take your pumpkin pie. I usually start with the lightest color first. And then I decide, okay, I want some orange to be kind of down here. And you just add color until you have the darkness that you want and the amount that you want. And then I want some orange kind of up over here. And you're going to look at it as you're going and say, this looks horrible. So maybe what I will do is when I'm all finished, I will pause the video and run mine through the die cut machine so you can see how it looked, even though it might have felt like it looked horrible. Okay, so now I'm done with pumpkin pie. And I'm going to add the Cajun Craze in. Cajun Craze is kind of a reddish, dark orange with maybe a hint of brown in there. So it does come out kind of reddish, and you just kind of blend it in with that orangish, and you're good. And then I'm going to put some up over here. Just kind of darkens up that orange. Add some up over here. And here in the middle. I'm kind of losing my yellow. That's okay. And going to add in just a little bit of some of this Early Espresso, just in a couple places. Okay, so that's really all you have to do. So I'm going to stop this for a quick moment, and I'm going to go run it through the die cut machine, and you can see what it looks like when you're done. I'm going to put, well, before I do it, I'm going to put a little bit more red Cajun Craze here for no reason other than I want it there. Okay, I am going to go. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are. It's all finished. You can see where it was, and now you can see where all the holes were. And it looks amazing where the colors shimmy from one to another, and then once you add on your decorations, it looks awesome. So I hope you'll give that a try because it's super fun and it looks amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.